I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now search and select an action Pipedrive. Give here the Pipedrive API token, so please visit Pipedrive API token. Copy the token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose a module. Choose an organization. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Go to the Pipedrive site and go to the people. And you can see that the data came successfully in Pipedrive. Thanks for watching.